Let's make meatballs. Use breadcrumbs and eggs as the binding agent. Then add in your salt, garlic powder, and black pepper and mix them well. And note that this is not a marination process. You can now scoop using your hands or a spoon into sizable equal size of balls. Then ensure they come into contact well so that it does not fall off while frying. In a pan with just a dash of oil, add in the meatballs and cook them on both sides till golden brown, and ensure each side is cooked well. In the same pan that we fried our meatballs in, add in your onions, followed by garlic and ginger paste, and then stir well till the flavor is incorporated. Then we now go in with our spices. For mine, I used beef masala, garam masala, paprika, curry powder, cumin seeds, and any other spice that you wish to use. Just play along with your spices. Don't use what I've said. Use what you like, and in terms of taste preference, use what spices you love. To your tomato sauce, add in your tomato paste, which is optional. If you don't want, I just added for flavor. And for the tomato sauce, it's just basically tomatoes which are roasted for a few minutes, then blended to form a paste. Then add in your meatballs to the tomato sauce and allow it to cook on medium-low heat till each meatball is coated well with the tomato sauce. You can enjoy your meatballs with any other accompaniment of choice, either spaghetti. I did mine with spaghetti and it slapped. And for better flavor, grate some cheese on top of the meatballs while still hot and thank me later. For any food services, reach out to me. I'm going to leave my Instagram and TikTok link and my WhatsApp number on the description. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.